Hey guys! Welcome to Couple. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. According to a new report from ET News, South Korean technology giant Samsung will be putting its foldable OLED displays into mass production this summer. The report further claims that the display will fold differently than what we expected, and after folding will leave half of the screen still visible. The new technology is expected to be used in Samsung's upcoming X smartphone, which is supposed to be unveiled early next year.